Pork soup is one of Ghana's staple top soups, and it's popular for its savoriness, its spiciness, its deliciousness, and it goes so well with so many things. We normally pair it with some kenke, and it goes well with fufu. You can have it with rice. So if you'd like to see how I made this deliciousness, stay tuned and let's do this together. So in here I've got some pork, but you can see there's a lot of fat in it and we do not want to eat that. So I'm going to grill this in my halogen oven to get rid of all the fat. You can also do this in your oven if you do not have a halogen oven, okay? So in it goes, and I am going to grill it now. Now for the rest of my ingredients, I've got some ginger, lots of it. You can use more if you want. As I said, it's spicy, and so you can use more ginger. I've also got some garlic, half green bell pepper, and 1 onion, which I'm going to chop and blend it all together. You can always adjust the ingredients if you like, okay? Also note that I always leave the quantities of ingredients in the description box. So for my natural spices, I've got some anise seeds, some fennel seeds, a couple of black peppercorns, and some cloves. Only 2 will go a long way. I'll add a little bit of water and blend it all together until it is smooth like so. Now checking on my pork, which is grilling beautifully and the fat is being extracted, I will flip it onto the other side for the other side to get golden brown, and once it's ready I'll take it out of my halogen and start the soup process. It looks beautiful, but we do not want the fat, so make sure to get rid of the fat, okay? And this is the end result. It looks nice. The fat has all been extracted, so now we are safe to use it in our soup. And at the end of the day, this is how much fat was extracted. You do not want this in your soup, as it is very unhealthy, okay? Into a pot, I'll transfer my fresh pork and my grilled pork. To this, I'll add my blended ingredients and begin to season. So beforehand, I will add some chopped onions, a little bit of tomato puree to give it that nice red color. For my fresh ingredients, I've got some fresh tomatoes, 2 habanero pepper, some ginger, and 1 white onion. You can always use more pepper if you like, but this habanero pepper, oh my, is very hot, okay? I've also got half shrimp seasoning. I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of water, and begin to cook all of this. Now cooking this on high heat. Once it comes to a boil, I will take out the pepper and tomatoes so it does not get squashed in the cooking process. Once I've taken it all out, I'll give it a little jiggle, allow it to cook for about 20 minutes, and continue with the process. This soup is so good, definitely a must try, and one of the secrets to make this even better is the green bell pepper. So please do not miss it out. Try it and you will thank me later. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for being here. My name is Debbie and the name of the channel is Debzies Delight. If you like what you see so far, please be kind to like, comment, share. Also hit on the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to the channel, and when I post a video, you will be instantly notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here. You know I love you all. So after 20 minutes, I will take out all the rest of the fresh vegetables, which is the ginger and onion, blend it together with the tomatoes and habanero pepper already taken out. Add a little bit of water, give it a stir, allow it to cook until you get a thickened consistency. Making it this way makes your soup very delicious right from the onset, as the meat actually absorbs all the flavors it needs, and it also gives out all the flavors it's got to your soup. And oh my, at the end it is super delicious. At this point, our soup has thickened beautifully. All the flavors have been built, and so it is now time to add enough water. This is light soup. I cannot stress this enough. It is light soup, okay? And this is why we add a lot of water. If you do not want to add a lot of water, that is fine. You just have to leave it as it is. But in Ghana, it is light soup, and this is exactly how we make our light soups. And if you do not want it as light, of course, I respect that. Please do not add this much water, okay? So once I have added the water, it is boiling beautifully on medium-high heat. For a bit of crunch and more taste, I am going to add some garden eggs, which I have divided into 2. I'll then turn my heat down to medium-low heat, allow it to boil for an extra 20 minutes, and just look at that. So beautiful. It's so beautiful for the eyes, isn't it? And it smells amazing. I'll give it a little stir, turn the heat down to very low heat, and allow our soup to simmer through. That is the way to get the best tasting soup. You need to be very patient, okay? Please try and be patient. Turn it to low heat, cover it, and allow it to simmer through until the end. Of course, taste for salt and adjust the salt if need be, but the salt was perfect for me, so I'm not going to add any more. As I mentioned before, this soup is very spicy, and so it is good for colds. If you are in the cold weather like I am, this is the perfect soup for the cold weather. If you've got a cold down with a fever, try this soup and it always does the magic. Just look at that, so beautiful. When you see the oil settle on top like so, it means your soup is ready, and it was simply amazing. All you need to do is to scoop off any excess oil, serve and enjoy. I paired this with some fufu, some soft fufu. I love my fufu soft. And it was simply magical, simply delicious. In Ghana, our Sunday afternoons is mostly fufu, and so if you're watching this on this Sunday, please add this to your menu next week and serve for your family to enjoy as well. If you're still here, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate all the love and support. Please be kind to like, comment and share. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please be kind to subscribe. Join the family grow as I share with you loads of different amazing recipes. Just look at that. Simply delicious, simply amazing. It's definitely a must try. If you'll be trying this, type I'll be trying this in the comment section and let me know what you think later. Until I see you in my next one, remember that I love you all, but God loves you the most. See you in my next one, and is bye for now.